So how did I create this complete AI movie with character, dialogue, narrator and cinematic scene using Google Veo 3.1 for free, and it's unlimited. Now first I want you to watch this story. This is the short movie I create using Google Veo 3.1. Then I'll break down the entire process so you can create your own AI short film.
In a village in southeastern Nigeria, Chief Okafo had passed away, leaving behind 6 children, their mother, and a final will.
We are gathered here today to honor the memory of my late brother. This document contains his final wishes.
The will contained one important command: do not sell the family houses. Keep them for future generations.
These were your father's final words.
I am the eldest. I will manage everything. We should sell the houses and divide the money.
Our father clearly said no.
Go.
The houses belong to all of us. Your father built these homes with sacrifice. Wealth can disappear, but family roots must remain.
The children honored their father's wish. Together they paid the taxes, preserved the houses, and kept the family united.
Okay, so now you've seen the short film I create using Google Veo 3.1. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made it step by step. You learn how to create a story, generate consistent character, create a cinematic scenes, and professional narrator, voice, and turn everything into a complete AI movie. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mivumbi. If you are new here, please do subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. And as I mentioned from the beginning, I'm going to show you how to create movies. You can create folktale stories. You can create children content using Google Veo 3.1. So I'm going to show you step by step. Stay with me until the end of this video, because this video is really, it can change your life if you are a creator, because this tool I'm going to use today is free. Okay guys, so this is the first step. I'm going to show you how you can create video using Veo 3.1, which is completely free. Yeah, this is another hack I'm going to show you, so stay until the end of this video. So first thing first, now I have the story here. I'm going to use this story to create a video, and I'm going to use narrator. I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to do this. It's very simple and very easy. So first thing first, you need to go to Google. So go to Google Vids, type Google Vids, and click this one here. You need to sign up with them. If you go your Gmail account, just sign in, automatically it's going to take you there. So you're going to come here to this page here, right? So this is my page here. Now we're going to click here, Vid 3.1, because it's new. I'm going to click there. Now this is the workplace here, so this is going to be my dashboard. Now we come in this side here. Let me show you this side. We come in this side, you see here they go everything here. So now we're going to here create from scratch or animate an image. So it's all up to you. If you want to, if you go your image, you can animate your image. If you want to, here we want to create from scratch because we want to generate a video from the text and the image, right? So here in ChatGPT give us a text. So we're going to change this text, convert this text into video. So we come here. Now this is the place here. We can choose landscape, you can choose aspect ratio, wherever you want here. Okay, so you can choose 16:9 or you can choose 9:16. If you want to use you create this video as a short for TikTok, YouTube short, or Instagram. Okay, so now here I'm coming back to my ChatGPT. I'm going to copy this. This is the video I want. I'm going to copy this one here, and let me bring this one close here. Okay, so we want here, I'm coming to paste this text here. Okay, now once I'm happy, everything I just create here, generate. Now let's give a few minutes, it doesn't take long. Okay guys, so this is our first scene, is already finished. I'm going to show you how we can put a narrator, which is going to be talking under. So you come here, you see this one here, voice over. So click that voice over here. Okay, so we are in this one, current scene, which is this one here. So I'm coming back to ChatGPT here. I'm going to take the narrator for that scene, which is here. I'm going to copy this one here, and I'm coming back here. I'm going to type this one here. Okay, so now here you can choose who the voice. You can choose who's going to read your text. So I'm going, let me show you. For example, like this one, let's see. Okay, so you can change if you want to change. Let's see, if you want to change, you can change here. Okay, and you can listen one by one, and you're going to decide who is going to read. Let me show you. Okay, so if I click this one and select that one, so this one is going to read this text for us. Okay, and let me put here. Okay, so I'm coming here, insert voice over, so it's going to do that for us. Let's give a few minutes, and then we're going to hear what it has to. Okay, the voice over is ready. Now let's play here.
In a village in southeastern Nigeria, Chief Okafo had passed away, leaving behind 6 children, their mother and
Okay, so can you see that here? Yeah, so we go the first scene here, and we have our voiceover, which is narrator, is telling the story about the. Okay guys, like I show you the first one. So the two way you can do this. The first way, you can create your own video like that I show here, and then you can go there and create narrator. You can do separate. Okay, and then the second way you can do this one as well, which is you can create a video. You just come here, you put your prompt for that. Let me show you. For example, like this one here, I come here, I take all this scene here, scene 3, yeah, I take all this visual, I put the dialogue. Okay, so you can even use the dialogue here, the dialogue 1, 2, 3, and so I copy all this. See this, I copy all this one here, and I copy this one here, and I come back here to create it here. I come back here and I paste this, all this one here. Can you see this? Let me show you. I paste all this, right? And then when I finish, I click generate, and this is the video generate for us. Let me play for you.
I am the eldest. I will manage everything. We should sell the houses and divide the money.
But father clearly.
You see, so here he give us a dialogue. He create a video for us. Look at the quality, how good it is. Okay, so you can do two way. One, you can do separate narrator separate with the video, or another way you can do both. You can have your scene, you copy all the dialogue and narrator, everything you put in one place, and you can create a video for you. So this is all the scene I create for this, right? So make sure you put all in order the way they are. Okay, because once you download everything. If when you come here, click file, if I click download as MP4, is going to download the all scene at once. So it's going to be one long video, so you can still use exactly the way it is. You can upload in your YouTube channel, or you can go to CapCut and edit. You can add music, you can add effect, you can add anything you want to add in there. You can add transition, whatever you want to add. All of them they're here. And once I finish this one, like there I show you, once you finish your video like this one, you come here, file, download as MP4. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you are new, please do subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. And if there's anything you want to learn, please leave them down below this video in the comment below. I read all the comments, or the comments you leave behind. I read all of them, so please feel free to ask me anything you want to learn, and I'll do my best to create a video for you. So thank you so much for coming. This is me Vumbi from Ease Tutorial AI. Until next time, take care. Bye.